So as you can see, I like Yamahas, especially old Yamahas. That's the 1979 Yamaha IT-175 I just finished restoring this spring. I picked up this 79 QT50 that I've been restoring. It's pretty much all done now. There's just a couple of things missing. The cover for the gearbox. It doesn't have a correct battery box on it, but you know, that's fine. I'm not going to spend any more money on it. I put a 60cc top end on it, and boy, the thing's pretty peppy for a little machine. But what I really wanted to show is I picked up this Yamaha Chappy. I believe it's a 1982 by the serial number, which is a 2U7 serial number. Starts off, and that's right between 1980 and 1982. So I've had a Yamaha Champ in the past. These are similar, though there's also quite a bit of difference from what I recall from the Champ. The previous owner said that the engine ran, but it was having issues. That is an understatement. So I did drain the oil, and there was water mixed in with the oil, but there was no, you know, pieces of metal or anything like that. I replaced the oil and decided I'd give it a start just to see what he was talking about. And it did start, but, oh, it does start, but it clearly has bad bearings and blown seals in it. So if you've never heard or seen what that's like, let me show you. Yeah, that's gone. So I figure that even with bad bearings and seals and gaskets, if I have to replace those as well, you know, I might be another 60, 80 bucks into it. So maybe for, you know, 200 bucks or less than 200 bucks, I might have a decently running machine. So I'm thinking of just doing those things for now, and maybe get a new seat cover, a proper seat cover. But I think for 100 bucks, this is a pretty decent little machine. The brakes all work. I don't know if I'll leave these foot pegs on there. Probably I will. I haven't been able to find the correct ones that mount through these holes here. But I probably need to somehow get a better matching paint to touch that up with. So when I have the engine out, I'll make some determination what I'm going to do.